Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate that you took the time to be present to hear more about Foodics. My name is Amel. I'm the General Manager of Foodics, looking after the operation in the country, leading both core business, Foodics RMX and Foodics Pay. So let me start differently. What do all the successful restaurants have in common? Sustainable revenue stream, insights, foresight, but in the middle of the hustle, fulfilling orders, preparing meals, the restaurant owner needs to have a full control about his business. Let's talk about Foodics. A digital-first omni-channel experience in the F&B. How Foodics can be one-stop shop for all the restaurant owner. Consumer preference changed ordering behavior. 10 years ago, if you go to a restaurant, you will have a sit, you will call the waiter will come, take note of your order on paper, he will go again to the kitchen, he will tell the chef will prepare the order, ring the bell, waiter needs to collect it again, he will serve it, and then you enjoy your meal. Call again the waiter, he will come, he needs to generate the bill from the POS, and then you can pay and you can leave. Today's 2022, 10 years after that, everything is different. Consumer preference changed. Behavior, ordering changed. A lot of key players are now being a part of the overall operation. We have the front of house with the payment, the digital display, cash register table. We have the warehouse, the kitchen, customer engagement, ordering and delivery. Back office with all the complexity of back office, inventory, sales, management, layout, section, etc. And of course, we have the call center. Let me share some insights with you here. So 30 to 35% is the percentage of digital order overall from the entire dine-in and QSR orders. As well, 30% is the commission that restaurant owner need to pay to the aggregator. If a restaurant is making 100K, 30K will go directly to the aggregator. More insights. 78% of consumers say that they would prefer self-service purchased, while 60% they are saying that they need to try to figure out self-service channel. This is why operators are always looking for a third party to generate order. How to generate order basically from the audience directly to their POS. Everything basically we see here, we can see that technology is at the heart of everything. Orders are being generated from all the different channels. It can be an order coming from the website. It can be an order coming from the kiosk. It can be an order coming from the e-commerce, from the dine-in, from the delivery directly, social commerce, etc., etc. So how Foodics basically can add this lifetime value through the one-stop shop or basically the ecosystem that we give to our client. I will start always by talking about the application, branded, seamless, bold application. We all know that the audience that you are getting from your delivery, it can be audience attracted by a certain discount, a certain feature, a certain picture, a certain zone. But how you can build your own audience, how you can build your own portfolio of client. Through application, what you can do, you can customize your brand. You can make the checkout faster. You can increase, of course, the basket size. You can have a healthier cash flow cycle. You can own a delivery without owning a field on ground. And, of course, you can be able to connect all the dots together. Here, there is some QR code. You can feel free to scan it, to check how our online ordering looks like. But, of course, this can be eventually your brand tomorrow. Achieve what matters. Our ecosystem allows all the restaurants to manage their online and dine-in order from one platform while giving your data and connect more with your customer and make, of course, a smarter decision to sell more. In-store self-ordering payment, I would call it the new way to do business and the new way to generate revenue. We do offer more than one solution when it comes to self-ordering. You have the tower kiosk, you have the counter tower kiosk, and we have the mobile ordering platform. When it comes to kiosk, here you are offering to your client a completely different experience. Experience which is more fun, experience which is more engaging, experience which is more convenient, and at the same time, you are basically generating more revenue to your branch. Online table ordering, Foodics provide, of course, the restaurant with a hyper experience when all the orders are going directly to the kitchen. Splitting payment is there, QR code is there, and of course, the QR code will generate an order directly with the table number and the branch details. Different type of restaurant, regardless what kind of restaurant you are running, regardless the operation, the size of your business. We have all kind of F&B industry running their business with us. It can be a casual dining, it can be a quick serve, a food truck, cloud kitchen, cafe, bakery, food courts, etc. A deep dive into our growth enabling tools. When we are talking about tools, we are talking about empowering a client, and of course, we would like to set up our client for success. Marketing and customer engaging tool. I would say one of the most challenging part when it comes to F&B is how to create the data of your loyal customer that will keep coming to your restaurant, the same restaurant over and over again. Here, we can have access to promotion and coupon to boost the sales, promo and banners to learn more how to have the best performing and basically a bit increase the average of the basket, and of course loyalty and program. And when we are saying loyalty, we are saying about attraction and attraction and retention. Multi-branches operation and order management. As I mentioned already, whatever is the size of the business, it can be 1 branch, it can be 2 branch, it can be up to 500, 600 plus a branch. Foodics can do the needed, and you can still run your operation with our system. Here, maybe I can give an example of Musahama Group, our client. They have been with us since 5 years. 4 years ago, they started with 4 branches maybe. Today, we are talking about 48 plus branches. Still using the same POS. Still, we are able to fulfill their needs. Galadari, hi. So, multi-branches, you need to be able to create and sync the branch easily. You need to be able to manage your inventory. You need to be able to manage the service hours, to have a full clarity on the delivery, to have a full clarity on the pickup. Was the order delivered? Is it pending? How to solve it, etc. Payment management, the beauty of reconciliation, right? No error, no time waste. A POS who is connecting directly to your payment terminals, and of course, less headache for the restaurant manager. So, of course, we made it very easy for the client. The payment method can have multiple payment. It can be cash, it can be online, it can be link, etc. And the payment support, of course, it is there. Whatever is the payment provider that you are using, we do believe either we are already integrated with them, either definitely we can work in an integration. Data analytics and reporting. Our system is coming with 360 plus report and entire BI tools. We know right now the POS is not just a calculator or a sales generator. We know that the client needs to have a full visibility, need to have access to advanced report. He needs to have a menu engineering report. He needs to be able to filter, to add, basically to do everything without depending on the POS provider. This is some example from the report that we can generate. And the delivery management. Of course, this has been already mentioned before. It's really important to know where is my order and basically to allow you and your customer to track orders when they are on their way to be delivered, where they delivered already or they are pending for a certain reason. We cannot talk about all these tools without talking about the support. Support is there. We do not provide one tool of support. There is 5 different tools. Customer can email, can WhatsApp, can call. He has a support on ground. And of course, we do have as well Foodics Academy, where we are basically providing a full training and onboarding to our customer. Thank you so much. This was a quick summary about Foodics. We know how F&B industry can be challenged, but till you hit 100%, let's say, operation efficiency or customer satisfaction, there is always a room for improvement. Thanks.